Hello, Jamb 2010 economics pass question number 31. By buying Treasury bills, the Central Bank of Nigeria intends to A. Increase money supply in the economy. B. Reduce money supply in the economy. C. Reduce the cash reserve ratio for banks. And D. Increase the capital base of commercial banks. So, Central Bank uses instrument of OMO, which is open market operation. Open market operation to purchase or sell of government securities in the open market to expand or restrict the volume of money in circulation. When there is too much money in supply, too much money in circulation, the central bank will sell securities. But in order to expand the volume, it buys securities. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Increase money supply in the economy. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.